So, ladies and gentlemen, we have ourselves some organic volcanic rock dust fertilizer that I ordered a couple of weeks ago. It's finally come. I already chucked some in here. I did that as a YouTube short, so be sure to check that out. I then covered it with some soil and some paper. Then I chucked some organic seaweed or kelp to mix it all together. And now we're going to be checking out the wigwam bin. Take this off. Just seems to be keeping there nicely. I've had the light on a while. No, you missed it. You can see it in real life. Really hard to pick up on my phone. Let's see if we can find any juicy. Anyway, as you can see, all these parsnips are growing. And there's beautiful worms. Just great. What's been getting lunched? What has? See a couple trying to escape because the light's getting to them. See what we got over here. I'm not going very deep. Nice juicy. As you can see, the parsnips are growing well. And yeah, guys, so I'll be chucking some rock dust in there. Probably half a cup of this. Seaweed, bone meal fish. And yeah, then I'm gonna get some more water. It's not too bad in there. It's not dry and it's not wet. It's quite. So I need to get a bit of oil there. And yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. And as you can see, the cat's on the roof. Here we go. I've got the rock dust. Chuck it in there. I'm also going to chuck some in this. I think I do like that. This side as well. And you've seen me feed these guys a ton of times. Well, I say a few times already. You know the drill with these ones. I'm not going to bore you with that. If you like these worm updates, and check the top right hand corner. Please hit like, please subscribe, and comment if you are doing your own little worm farm. See you on the next one.